You know you want to give your lady something. Come on, just a little something. Oh, work it. Like the guy in the shirt.
Minus the, like, not counting the 20 from the gas.
Well, we go to market, and we just got back from Las Vegas, and that's what Chrissy used to do. She would go to market and was a buyer. So we just go and we try to pick out things that we love and we want to wear, and it's really worked for us. That people seem to respond to it, and they like what we pick.
So I have a pair.
Keep in mind how many people are going to start. You're fine. Yeah, so we have about 6.
Oh, I think that's just for